It's Friday. Hey, it's Erin with the W Group, and sellers, this one's for you. I'm here to give you 5 ways to get your home ready to sell. Number 1, declutter and give your home a nice deep clean. When selling your home, first impressions and appearances can make or break the profit that you make on your home sale. We highly encourage that you remove any personal items and give your home a thorough cleaning so the buyer has a clean slate for their own imagination. Number 2, get a head start on minor repairs and maintenance around your home. A well-maintained home shows that you care about your property. A few examples of these repairs and maintenance items include replacing burnt-out light bulbs, replacing maybe a cracked cover plate, some paint touch-ups, having your HVAC service, and maybe some fresh landscaping. But before you go on and do a full home renovation, consult with your real estate agent to see if that will benefit you in the long run. Number 3, take great photos and videos to showcase your property. We find that today's consumers start their home search online, so that is why having great photos and videos that showcase the best features of your home is so important. Number 4 is pricing. One of the most popular questions that we get from sellers pertains to pricing and negotiation. Some sellers think a good strategy is pricing high and leaving wiggle room for negotiation. However, pricing too high on the front end can be a little risky. On the flip side, pricing your home too low can result in you leaving money on the table. So make sure you work with an agent who is familiar with the area and prices your home right. And number 5, make sure you choose the W Group. And as for these, 10 out of 10 would fry again.
Okay, you don't have to say so loud.
Oh. I just got excited. Number 1. Get it? There's hair in my mouth. Fixing broken windows. No. Can you see that hair gets in my mouth? Because I'll go through it, but if it's weird that you can see that hair is in my mouth, I'll stop.